Starting.
Now it's on his phone. And look what happened. Look. He wrecked on his bike.
I'm not on my bike. My uncle's.
Oh.
It hurts. I'm going to school when my skin grows back.
Yeah, he's gonna make his final YouTube video tomorrow or today?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Okay, I'm going to make mine like that. Make it fly
Yeah,
better.
the retro don't trust me. I'm gonna put little on it. Mine flies better than my friend Leo's now. It landed. It did a spiral and it landed.
We're doing paper airplanes. This is mine. I made it by YouTube.
Yeah, we watched the YouTube video.
Oh.
Yeah, it's so light. It's so light. Oh, it went in the dirt. This house is so... Who cares about these houses?
Mine just landed.
What? Oh, my cat! Oh, it is a...
Whoa, mine just landed again.
I have to throw a light in the fit if I could go high.
I'm gonna go. This
It would have crashed it like this. I don't need my raviolis. I don't need my raviolis. I don't need my raviolis. See?
I throw it light. It's you.
I bet mine could throw higher than yours.
I think we're
I'm not sitting on a bus today. I'm on the
1, 2, 3.
I
That mine can go.
Hi! I'm gonna get stuck in there.
Mine just cracked.
Someone did.
Ready?
One cap. One, two.
Okay, ready? Let's throw this. Let's have a race who gets to go first.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Because I made mine better. 1, 2, 3. That's so far. That's like a yard or two. That's like 4 feet. Show yours. Oh, yes.